Hey everyone, it's James with geometriccharts.com. December 7th, about 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We got the 4-hour chart of Bitcoin, BTC, USD on the Bitfinex exchange. So I was looking for some downside, and here we are chopping downward. We did break through the consolidation range, which is clearly marked out by the blue line. Now, there is some wiggle room. We kind of poked to the underside of this rectangle, and we do have a little headway to go to still maintain this area. But I think we're at a point where we're going, based on how much selling pressure there's been in this market, right? We've had already just a 3-stage wave down, a little relief rally, a continuation down. More than likely, we're getting close to a bottoming area, but I say that in quotations as in it's not going. I highly doubt it is the bottom for Bitcoin, but the way I see it is that we are in an area to where that bottom could look something like a consolidated range or a giant coil where there could be some volatility and maybe a bigger spike as well too in the near future. I don't think we're quite there yet. I think Bitcoin needs to kind of find some footing and hold a certain range for a while and then produce that move. But I do think we're at an area to where we're going to see Bitcoin have limited downside, a little more upside, but there's going to be a lot of volatility, especially going into the weekend and next week. So as of now, in the short term, I'll say that I'm bullish on a short-term basis, meaning like a week, maybe 2 at most. The overall trend for now is obviously still down, still succumbing to immense amounts of selling pressure, but I think there's just some more little relief rallies, and these relief rallies are going to buck a lot of the short traders off of Bitcoin. And the shorts are very high in Bitcoin at the moment. I mean, very, very high. The standard chart, anyone can go to TradingView, type in BTC USD shorts, and you can just see exactly where the shorts are. So they're having a field day, obviously. You can see the dramatic move to the downside, not only in Bitcoin, but the rest of the market. So we are at a period to where the shorts are starting to get complacent. Everyone's starting to feel good, given this data is correct. I don't know how true the data is, but given that it's correct, we're at a point to where these traders are feeling fat. They're doing the happy dance. Everyone's, just laughing at money hand over fist. And eventually there will be a big hand, big player that pushes them out of the market. And it's going to take a bigger relief rally, a bigger guppy rally than what we experienced here. And I think Bitcoin's trying to find that footing, to find that range, try to check and see if those buyers are there. Remember how I talked about how we'd enter into this area and Bitcoin would try to do its sales pitch, try to find buyers, and if it didn't, it would traverse lower, and if it broke through, then we could traverse down to the next consolidation range. Well, I think we're going to hold around where we're currently at now on the short-term basis. That's why I said I'm short-term bullish. But if we do have another waterfall event, as in a big drop, and we start cascading under like 3,200 or something like that, something else is happening in the market. In this analysis, you could pretty much just delete from your memory. But, given that does not occur, and I don't think that's going to occur because due to the amount of selling pressure, due to the amount of shorts in the market, etc., we should chop and try to find some footing here and then eventually buck a large portion of those shorts off, get people feeling bullish again, get those shorts feeling really stupid, and then, boom, collapse all over again. So, again, that's why I say short-term bullish, longer-term bearish for right now. And that short-term range is only about a week or two. So hopefully all that makes sense to everybody. I imagine, again, we're going to chop a bit. I do think we're going to chop more to the upside than anything, but it's going to be volatile going into the weekend like it always is every single weekend. And then from there, I think Bitcoin's going to try to trend higher, knock those shorts off, and then start to unravel back downward in the near future, probably outside of the 1 to 2 week time frame. So anyways, That's it. I'll talk to everybody on Monday. Hope everybody has a great day, great night, depending on where you are in the world. If you do like the video, please like, comment, subscribe, follow. I thank you for your time. I thank you for your support. If you're interested in videos that are more in depth, where I talk about price figures and things like that, I do have my site, geometriccharts.com. The charts are much more detailed than what they are here. I talk about price levels, support zones, resistance levels, targets, stop loss areas, and etc. for Bitcoin and multiple other cryptocurrencies. Right now, though, most of the market is following each other hand in hand, or they're following Bitcoin, I should say, hand in hand. So whatever Bitcoin's doing, most of the market is doing as well. If anything's underperforming that you're watching, I would highly advise ignoring it and focusing on something else like Bitcoin or another coin that is at least mimicking the price action in Bitcoin. So that's it. Have a great day or great night.